So severance agreements are often long legal documents that contain a lot of waivers of a person's rights. And so in most severance agreements, there is an exchange of a sum of money to a person who is going to be terminated for some reason. Maybe it's a business hardship, maybe it's because there's been a personnel conflict, whatever that reason is, there's going to be a sum of money in exchange for that particular employee waiving their rights to bring any claims against the employer. And the reason this is so important is because until we talk to a prospective who has a severance agreement in front of them, evaluate the severance agreement, evaluate the facts of their termination to see if they do indeed have a claim under the Minnesota Human Rights Act or any other employment law, it's very risky to be waiving those rights because you can't undo that once you sign. Although you do have in Minnesota, typically a 15-day rescission period, so you've got 15 days to rescind. But after that fact, you can't go back and say, actually, now I've consulted with an attorney 20 days later, and I believe I was discriminated against. I believe my termination was discrimination, was retaliatory. I now want to sue them. Often that agreement has waived those rights, and so you're not able to undo that. And so it's really important to consult. I would also just say it's a legal document, and it's best practice for any legal document, whether that's an employment agreement or a severance agreement, that you get an attorney's eyes on that. Better safe than sorry.